livelihood.
The National People's Party-led MDA 2.0 government yesterday denied opposition's claims of colluding with illegal coal miners and traders. MDA spokesperson Marcus N. Marak insisted that the state government promotes transparency and rejects illegal activities. He emphasized that the opposition must report any illicit activities to allow the government to address them. Referring to Justice B.P. Katakay's report, Marak stated no illegal coal mining is happening in the state, urging citizens to inform the authorities of any violations.
There's no such happening in the ground. If there is, then there are systems to catch all of those things. And for that matter, I think some of the businessmen have already replied, and then it has gone to the district administrations there. I think there is no such illegal mining in West Garo Hills, South Garo Hills.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited the